Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the connection safe and accessible. Turn off the circuit breaker and confirm no live voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once safe, remove the cover plate and loosen the waterproof gland so you can feed the cable. Strip the outer sheath about 25 to 30 mm to expose conductors, but leave the inner insulation intact until later. This prevents accidental shorting. Make sure all waterproof seals and gaskets are laid out in the order. They'll be assembled. Now you focus on the critical wiring steps so the socket works reliably. Trim conductors to equal length and strip about 8 to 10 mm of insulation to ensure proper contact. Insert earth, neutral, and live into their labeled terminals. Double-check polarity because reversed wiring can damage devices. Tighten terminal screws to the manufacturer's torque or firm hand-tight standard. Loose screws cause heat. Once tightened, gently position conductors so there's no strain on joints and no exposed copper showing. Finish by restoring waterproof integrity and verifying operation. Slide the gasket into place, feed the cable through the gland, and tighten until the seal compresses evenly. Don't over-tighten or you'll damage the rubber. Replace the cover, turn the breaker back on, and test voltage and a connected load to confirm correct operation. If the circuit trips or the socket shows no power, isolate power again and recheck terminal connections, continuity to earth, and that the gasket sits without pinched conductors. That single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.